The next day, Mutt traveled with Billy to the big city station. Mutt was sure Brittany could help her grandpa, and together they can help me. But only if Brittany met someone special at Shining Time first. Attention passengers, the train to Muffle Mountain will depart from track 3, last stop Muffle Mountain. The train for Shining Time will depart from track 4. Shining Time, track 4. I don't suppose you know what track 3 is, do you? You do? Is it that one? Well, why not? I hope you're right. Butt was feeling pleased with himself. He had put Brittany on the wrong train, but he knew he had done so for the right reasons. I know how the moon must feel, looking down from the heavens, smiling at the silly things we put ourselves through. Missing magic each day, and not seeing the wonder. That's how the moon must feel. I know how the moon must feel when he makes someone happy. That's the feeling I will feel when he smiles at me. I'll be floating on air, I'll be beaming with wonder. That's how the moon must feel. Left a bit, right a bit, up a bit. Oh. There, Justin. Tickle gone now? Nope, still itchy. Hey, Mr. C, why do you look so tired? Is it because I am black? Diesel says black is a very tiring color, but Mr. C, black looks so nice against the snow. It's not me, is it? Oh no, of course not, Justin. I think black is really useful. Oh good, just like my sparkle. Or at least it was. Must be again. Oh, I'm sorry, Justin. I have to go to the church to search for something important. Now off you go to work, please. Okay, Mr. C. Keep your steam up. Now, where do I find that church? What happened? Where's the church? That's where I'm supposed to be. But now I've completely lost my sense of direction. Now my gold dust really is all gone. And if I can't find the source of making more, I know how bad the consequences will be. I saw in my dream last night. My family never told me what to do with a gold dust crisis. They only said if you can't remember the clue, the church bell will remind you. But where is the church? And what is the clue?